So a lot of clients will ask us for a repair that maybe there's some paint damage or maybe there's some scuffs. What are my options? What can I do if I don't want to live with this damage? What are my options? Well, most cases you can either live with the damage, you can have us do a PDR version, or you can take it to collision center where they can paint everything and do Bondo and make the vehicle look perfect. On a vehicle like this is a Rivian R1S. It's a brand new vehicle. And if you don't know, if you've not seen Rivian, a lot of new manufacturers, there's just doesn't have a collision center network. And even when they do, just because of the electrical components, it's really, really expensive when you get into traditional bodywork. So if they go in and start stud welding this or doing what a body shop will have to do, in all honesty, the price gets really crazy high. A lot of collision centers for Rivian, there was a truck recently that had a $32,000 dent repair that they had to do. And so as a result, this is honestly, a lot of clients that own a vehicle like this, they're wanting to know, was there kind of a middle ground? What could I get done? And we're a great fit for that. This client actually we're in Georgia, they drove from North Carolina from Charlotte down to us, which is about a 5-hour drive, because they went to so many different body shops and dent shops that kind of just turned them down, said this isn't something we can touch. We're gonna do what they call paintless dent repair on the dents here on this quarter panel. And then we're actually buying the touch-up paint directly from Rivian, and we'll be able to put touch-up on this to hide, to make it less noticeable, and to make it where it's not gonna rust or get worse over time. While the client's in, we're actually buffing some scratches, we're doing some ceramic coating, a few other things to it. But just for this dent repair right here, even though we're not able to make this perfect because there is paint missing and I can catch my finger on it, we can still offer a significantly large cost savings and headache saving solution, so much so the customer was willing to drive almost 5 hours for us to do this repair, and it's still gonna save them time, money, and headache in the long run. If you have any questions about a dent or scratch, feel free to hit us up. We're happy to answer any questions, talk to you about what might be possible on your vehicle, and either do it ourselves or get you in touch with someone that's close by if it makes more sense for you. Hit us up anytime. Thanks so much for watching.